Hi, I'm gonna give my mom this beautiful art piece for this Mother's Day. And this Mother's Day, give your time, efforts, and lots of love to your mom. Happy Mother's Day. Mother's Day is a special time of the year when you get to celebrate your first best friend and the person you always turn to.
இந்த சாங் வந்து எங்கள் அம்மாவுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்ச சாங். இதை வந்து எங்கள் அம்மாவுக்கு நான் டெடிகேட் பண்ணுறேன். there is always a woman behind every man's success அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஆனால் there is always mom behind every man's efforts அப்படின்னு நான் சொல்லுவேன். ஸோ இப்போ கூட வந்து இந்த வீடியோ எதுக்கு எடுக்க சொன்னேன் அப்படின்னே தெரியாமல் எடுத்துக்கிட்டாங்க. This Mother's Day I'm celebrating with my mom.
Watching something grow is good for morale. It helps us believe in life, just like mother who watch her child growing. I set about looking for places in garden to add some of my mom's favorite vegetable and fruits. So, plant something useful for your mom, and definitely after saying this, she will have a smile on her face, and that is everything for us. Happy Mother's Day.
Mom, we love each other to the core. Only thing you don't like, me using this mobile phone often. I promise you, on this Mother's Day, I'm not going to use this mobile phone for those 24 hours. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I want to do something special for my mom and I decided to do this. So I thought I would do this for her without even she knowing it. So I started to do this when she was on her walking. So here it is. So let's not celebrate Mother's Day only in Instagram, WhatsApp by just showing our love through our posts and photos. Let's do it in real. Let's have some time for them. And happy Mother's Day to all the mothers and a special Mother's Day to my Amma.
அரவணைக்கு 1000 உறவுகள் இருப்பினும் அன்னையின் அன்பை சிறந்த அன்னையர்
It's always easy to make your mom happy. நீங்கள் பெருசாக எதுவுமே பண்ண தேவையில்லை, நல்லா சாப்பிடுங்க, அது போதும். Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Because mom is just not a word, it's 1000 feelings. She's your best friend, she's your superhero, and she's the purest form of love. Once again, happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful moms in this world. Let's celebrate mothers not just today but every day.